soft.
Nice and soft. Addie, where we at?
The horses were going there. That's their state.
Addison.
Wait, you can do horseback riding on the beach.
You can do horseback riding on the beach.
But where are the horses? They're not there.
They're not here now. It might have been... No, I don't know. I was going to say it might have been a weekend thing, but yesterday was Monday, so...
Guys up there fixing something.
Yeah.
Mom, yesterday was Monday. That's not a weekend.
Yeah, I know. That's why I changed what my thought process was.
Look, they got saddles over there.
You dumping them all out, girl? Whee! You playing in the sand? We're not going to start throwing sand, guys, just so we know.
Please just don't splash my hoverboard with sand. That's all I can ask.
You should probably move your hoverboard away from where you guys are playing in the sand, right? Move it over near the stroller.
Yeah, we'll have to make the sandcastle. That ain't shovels here.
It's a nice 70-degree day. It's nice out. It's quiet. I like it. Quarantine beach. Quarantine beach day.
There we go.
Oh my lord, why does this guy have to be fixing something right there?